Come on, get around. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Kozak, and in today's video we're gonna be going on a POV drive. I'm gonna try to hop straight into it. Look at the Mustang, looking as good and beautiful as ever, and honestly I'm excited to go. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having a blessed day, a good day, and honestly let's just hop straight into it. I don't got a lot of yapping for today. Wave, Kate. Wave.
Hi.
What do you guys think about his carbon fiber mirror caps? He just put those on. He's self-conscious about them.
They're growing on me now, you know. I was driving and I was like, damn, bro, the carbon fiber looks nice.
So tell us, guys, is it rice?
Or is it nice? Right.
Alright, guys, so the Benz just pulled up. Look at that, baby. V8 bi-turbo. What's up, bro?
On the phone, I was like, kind of like, I don't know.
All right, I'm recording. Say what's up, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? Or what's up, YouTube? Or what's up, YouTube? Type shit.
Yeah, I'm just leaving this in the video so they see what kind of people Audi drivers are.
No, you can cut that out, bro. Cut that out. What's it called? GTA?
Oh, yo, there's little kids, bro. They're hyping up. Hell yeah.
Damn, his head. He's like, what?
I'm about to go, so. Holy shit.
You should have saw the reaction, bro. He jumped and screamed, bro.
Yes, sir. Some future Mustang enthusiast born right there, brother. My tires are bald, bro. Dude, what is Kamal doing? Oh yeah, baby. Let's fucking get it, boys. Dude, they are going crazy. Yo! They're going fucking insane out here, bro. Gotta roll the windows up. Fuck, we're gonna be stuck behind that white piece of shit truck. What the fuck is this event? What the fuck did we just pull up to on accident? Yo! Hopefully they're all going to the event. Oh shit, cops. Dude, we unluckily hit a fucking fair? What are the chances, man? Dude, this is so fucking nice, bro. It's unlucky that we ran into a fair and there's people leaving it, man. It's genuinely unlucky. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Come on, get around. Holy shit. Oh! Dude, I fucking love the sound of this car, bro. Holy shit. Dude, the cheese on that felt crazy. Holy shit! What is this? let's park up. I'm gonna let my engine cool off. Instead of I let my engine cool off. Nothing. I'm just letting my engine cool off while we sit here. Because Scruffy's pulling up. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, that fucking big ass hill, bro.
I know.
That shit was fire,
Dude,
bro.
yeah, no, dude, the G's hit so
Bro,
fucking
we were
much.
driving. You disappeared. This nigga disappeared. I was like, what the fuck?
Dude, I just hate that. Dude, I was like, when we were driving and there was like the farm doing an event, I was like, bro, what is the timing? Why is there a random ass event right now,
Bro, there's hella people going slow as shit.
Dude, I know.
Bro, that fucking G.
What the fuck?
No, you
Oh, the
got
Honda?
pissed off
The
earlier,
Honda?
bro. The Honda, the Asian killer. She cut you off, bro. So this dude- I was like, he was just complaining about me doing that the other week.
I was on the phone with him. He's like, bro, Kamal just
Bro,
got cut off.
he was trying
And then I see,
He was trying to pass you. Watch you speed up.
Oh, no, yeah, no, because I thought he, I know, I thought, because I thought he was going to stay back, because I started speeding up with Kane. I thought he was going to stay back. I see him start going. I'm like, oh shit, I noticed so late, too.
Go ahead of me. So I was like, okay, cool. He goes, now I'm about to go. This motherfucker Rossi. No! We damn near racing like this.
race, who hits the car first?
No, that's my fault. That's my
Shit,
fault, bro.
what the hell? He should have found a fucking sidewalk to ride on. Yeah, that shit was funny.
You should turn your engine off and cool it off.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Right?
Dude, was my shit roaring through the woods?
Yeah, that shit was nice.
We had music on, could still hear it.
Yeah, no, Kamal was actually going pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
I'm looking in my rear view. I'm like, damn, this motherfucker's back there. Hit the gas.
That's because I can't accelerate as quick as you guys. My shits are bald right now.
You're right. Yeah, I was behind you at a lot. I said, damn, his shit is bald.
This shit got no tread on it.
Did you guys see the little kids reacting?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I fucking, when I stepped on it, my car literally went sideways for a second, bro. I was like, damn.
Motherfucker got slicks on. That's crazy.
All right, guys, so we're back. We got a Supra with us now, and we're leaving because I'm pretty sure the lady was trying to call the cops on us for just being around this area. So we're just trying to get out of here real quick. Let's get it, baby! Oh my God, we're already behind somebody. All that just to get stuck behind somebody, bro. So if he's got to get around this guy. Cop. Cop's turning around. Yo. Oh, Scruffy. Yo, cut it. He's turning around. Yeah, so be careful. Don't do anything stupid now. I mean, you could turn off and let us, and we can re-meet somewhere else, but like we just gotta chill now because he's gonna follow us. They can cut us off. That's, dude, yeah, this is bad because they can cut us off. They talk. We gotta get off this road, if anything. Take the freeway. Let's go to the shop or something, bro. Yo, he's coming. Yo, he's coming fast. Yo, we're fucking cooked. He's stuck behind someone right now. Oh, fuck, dude. Man, I did not expect that to go down, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the cop was definitely coming there for, you know, the Audi and the Mercedes because they were trying to record rollers and and the Mercedes stepped on it a little bit, and the people in that area, I mean, it's a quiet area, obviously they're not gonna like it. They have a very big open road, so I wouldn't doubt other people go and mess around on their property. And so the cop was coming towards us, and then we're going down. He sees Scruffy, we're all speeding, then me, and then he sees we're allegedly speeding. For entertainment purposes, we were speeding. Like, how do I say this without being incriminating, man? Anyways, we weren't speeding, but the cop was coming our way, and he saw me, Scruffy, and then he sees the Mercedes and the Audi. So, you know, he's obviously gonna be like, oh, wait, you know, they're probably messing around. That's what I'm thinking. But either way, he caught us not speeding. So then he pulls a Yui right behind a person that was coming, and then I see him pulling up, but that person in front of him is going really slow. I'm surprised he didn't just turn on his lights. I don't know, maybe he didn't have, you know, probable cause. He was just trying to get on our ass to get one. Scruffy's headlight isn't working. That's pretty probable cause to me, an IMO. Other than that, you know, I think we're gonna call it here. We're gonna end it here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up into some, you know, place we could just park and chill. I don't want to mess around any more than we already have. We already pushed our cars. I'm about to be down a quarter tank just from today, and I mean, it was fun. It was really fun. I honestly want to do this again. So if you enjoyed this type of video, you know, let me know so we could make more. I don't know how it's going to turn out and stuff, but just let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like this. Your comments really help and support the channel. And please, if you're watching, give a subscribe. I know there's no reason to subscribe to people anymore because, you know, their content's going to get pushed out to you regardless, but it does help me out in hitting my goals. So if you don't mind, go ahead and do that. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and talk to y'all later. Go ahead and see y'all later. Toodles. Bye.